magic polyhit should be somewhere inside that giant molecular thingamabob up there. You just have to bat me into that stuff until it's revealed. Click on the mouse button to launch me into inner space. Then use the mouse to move the magnet. I can't stay small forever, though, so try to get through the molecules before I return to my regular size. I won't last more than 10 rounds in here, so you have to work quick. Click on the mouse to launch me.
Okay. There we go. Come on, we got this thing, guys. You learned a whole bunch too. You know now what one of the hardest rocks are is the diamond. So that was pretty cool. Let's see if we can get in there inside the molecule and get that clue. Then we can save swimming and scuba diving. Come on, come on. Almost. There you go. There we go. Good job. Keep it up. We're almost there. We're doing it. Let's see if we can do it without losing Botley. We're almost inside. Boom. Almost, almost, almost. Well, let's see if we can't get inside there. Come on, come on. I like Pong. Pong's fun. Bang. There it is. Come on. Here we go. Bam. Oh, come on, come on. We gotta break through those molecules to get inside the main molecule. We're inside. There we go. Oh, we went a little too fast there. Gotta keep it nice and slow. We're bouncing off right there. Excellent. Oh, only one. We gotta somehow try to get it so it hits and goes bang, 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 bang like that. One at a time. Hey, we're doing it. Come on, get in there. Use them. Come on, bounce, bounce. In we go. Come on, let's see if we can use a little bit of angles. There we go. I think that'll bounce us in there. Oh, so close. Come on. We have about, let's see, I think we only have about 10 more if I'm not mistaken. No, 9 more. Now we only need 7 more. We're getting close. Oh, sweet. We're breaking the core. Let's almost. Come on. Hang in there. Hang in there. We got this. Almost got this thing. Okay, we actually broke all the molecules, so this might be a little bit harder now. But we can get it. See, look how we're using it, bouncing it right off. Great job. Great job for sticking around with me on this. Keep going, keep going. Stay in this. Yeah, 3 more, 3 more. 3 more. We got this. Come on. See if we can't bounce it off the wall a little better. Get a little bit of angle. No, darn, I need to bounce it off that one side. Nope, hit it over the corner again. We gotta hit it just right. Nope. Man, we gotta somehow get the right angle for this. No. Okay. Come on. Let's see if we can't hit it. That's okay. Let's see if we can't launch him now. Sometimes you have to. We'll give him.
My head.
We'll launch him really quick. Oh. Okay. Come on. Come on. Bounce it off. There we go. Oh yes. Okay. 3 more bounces. Come on. And come on. Let's make sure we get this going right in there. And we bounce. Yeah. All right. One more bounce. We got this thing, team. One more. It's getting close. Let's see if we can hit this. Oops. My bad there. Let's shoot him up here. Come on. Hit it right. Oh, you hit that one. Come on. Oh, so close. We have 1 molecule left. One. 1 molecule. Come on, hit it. Hit the molecule. Hit it. Come on, let's see if we can't. Come on, hit it right. Come on, hit that molecule. We gotta hit it at the right angle. Let's see if we can't. Let's see. Okay, there. Nope. Still in the corner. Let's see if we can't hit it more. Let's see if we can't bounce it. Come on. We're almost there. Let's just bounce it. Oh, so close. It's hard when you get down to just one of these. There it is. We got it. Bam. Yeah, right there. Great job. Excellent job. But that was a difficult one, but we got it.
Needs a clue that Polly is.
Great job,
Put
team.
this to your inventory so we can get back to saving life as we know it.
Okay, let's put the octopus in there.